In this quick video, I will show you how to reset Microsoft Outlook view back to normal mode on mobile. So if you customized your Outlook app on your mobile, if you changed your Outlook theme and view and colors, and now you want to reset your Outlook view back to normal mode, here's how to do it. So first of all, open your Outlook app on your mobile and then tap on this profile photo at the top left corner. And here tap on the settings icon. And here scroll down under general, just tap on accounts. And here tap on your Outlook account that you want to reset. And here scroll down and here you will find reset account. So here try resetting the account if you have sync issues. So all you have to do is just tap on reset account, and resetting your account will restart Outlook. Just tap on continue. Once you successfully resetted, your Microsoft Outlook view will be back to the normal mode. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.